Hi, Michelle Seitz here. You're watching Styles. Here's the scenario. You have a document that is unformatted and you need to add styles to certain text. Watch this video to learn how to do this. When you first open up a Word document, even if it's a blank document, you will have some styles associated to it. To view the styles in your document, go to Format, Styles and Formatting. Now the Styles and Formatting dialog box is displayed. Click on this icon here and you can move it around. You can also expand it. If you need a greater variety of styles, at the bottom of the Styles and Formatting dialog box, in the Show field, click the down arrow and select All Styles. Now you have many more styles displayed in the Styles and Formatting dialog box. When you start typing, there will be a style associated with this text. To find out what style is associated with this text, go to the dialog box and slowly drag the vertical bar down until you see a style that is surrounded by a box. And as you can see, the style that I typed is in a normal style. If I wanted to change this text to another style, I would highlight it, go over to the Styles and Formatting dialog box, and slowly drag the bar up until I found the style that I wanted, and I would click on it. Now this text is body text. Another way to identify what style the text is currently displaying, go to the View tab and select Normal. This is the Style Area pane. Currently, you can see this text has the body text style applied to it. If you don't have your Style Area pane displayed, go to Tools, Options, and click on the View tab. And at the bottom of the screen, in the Outline and Normal options, there is a Style Area Width field. My display is set to 1 inch. You can highlight the number and change it, or use the up and down arrows, and then click OK. Now that we're back in the document, I want to show you more options for the Styles and Formatting dialog box. To modify a style, in the dialog box, just hover over it and click the down arrow and select Modify. This is the Modify Styles dialog box. You can change many characteristics in this dialog box. In this area, the size, you can make it bold, italic, underline, and you can change the color, and many more options. Click on Format, Font, and you have more options to choose from. Go back into the Format and select Paragraph, and you can change the spacing before and after. You can also change the line spacing. After you make all your selections, click OK. So let's say you have some text that you need to repeat often with special characteristics such as bold, underline, and in the body text style. You may want to create a new customized style. To create a new customized style, begin by highlighting the text you want and then selecting a style in the dialog box. I will select the body text style. Now I want to make it bold and underline. Then I will click on New Style button. In the New Style dialog box, give your new style a name. If there are any more characteristics you want, select them now, and then click OK. The new style will be listed in the Styles and Formatting dialog box. The latest styles that you use are generally at the top of the dialog box. If you want to delete a customized style, hover over the style, click the down arrow, and select Delete. Confirm by selecting Yes to the question, asking you if you want to delete this style. I want to delete it, so I'm going to say yes. I'm going to open up another document. If you want to create a caption style or a heading style so that they appear in the Cross References dialog box, you can do this. Here I have some text that I will apply these styles to. Here is the first American flag, and I will apply a figure caption to this text. I'll go to the Insert tab, select Reference, Caption. The label is for a figure, and that's what I want, so I will click OK. I'll add a colon and a tab, and my caption is formatted. Here is also some text to which I will apply some heading styles. Now I will go into the Styles and Formatting dialog box. So I'll go to Format, Styles and Formatting. So for the first American flag, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select Heading 1. So for the Flag Act, I'm going to select Heading 2. When I click on the View tab and select Normal, I can see that the Heading 1 style is applied to the first American flag here. The Caption style is applied to the Figure 1 caption, and Heading 2 is applied to the Flag Act. And when I go into Insert, Reference, Cross-Reference, and click on Heading, I can see that the Heading 1 and Heading 2 text is in the For Which Heading field, and since I have a caption, when I click on Figure, I can see that the Figure 1 caption is in the For Which Caption field. So now I will close the Styles and Formatting dialog box by clicking on this X. And while we covered the basics of styles, there are many more options you can explore. For now, that is the end of this lesson, Styles.